In this video, I will walk you through the simple and essential process of downloading your workflows directly from N8N. Whether you are looking to create a backup of your hard work, share a specific automation logic with a colleague, or move your projects between different environments, knowing how to properly export your files is a foundational skill for any automation expert. Let us get started right away with the very first step. First, you will need to log into your N8N dashboard and navigate to the specific workflow that you want to download onto your local machine. Once you have the correct workflow open and visible in your editor, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should notice an icon consisting of 3 small vertical dots, which represents the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear with several different choices for you to pick from. From this list, you must select the Download option. As soon as you click that button, N8N will immediately start the export process. Your workflow will be saved automatically to your computer's default Downloads folder as a standard .json file. This file format is perfect because it contains all the nodes, connections, and configurations from your project in a way that is easy to store or re-upload later. It is a very good practice to save these files regularly so you never lose your progress during a complicated build. Now you have a portable version of your automation ready to go whenever you might need it. This quick method ensures that your workflows are safe and easily accessible outside of the N8N platform itself. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope this helps you manage your automation projects much more effectively from now on. Thank you for watching. Happy downloading.